Now the next option is the Hex-Dominant. When you enable this option, the software will try to create hexahedral mesh cells in your geometry. However, in some places where it cannot build the hexahedral mesh cells there, it will automatically fill those places with tetrahedrons. Also, in front of the free face mesh type, if you click on it, you can see and select between two options of quad or tri or all quad. Now when you select the quad or tri option, the software will try to put as much as quadrilateral mesh cells over the outer surfaces of your geometry. However, in the surfaces where it cannot build quadrilaterals, it will fill those places with triangular mesh cells. Now after clicking on the generate button, you can see that the software has tried to put and generate hexahedral mesh inside the geometry of the cylinder. You can also see that the software has tried its best to create a structured mesh in it. However, if I disable the section plane to see the outer surface of the cylinder geometry, you can see over that surface, along with quadrilateral mesh, there are some triangular mesh cells as well. In this slide, you can easily see the outer surface of the cylinder geometry, and you can easily see how the quadrilateral mesh cells are placed next to triangular mesh cells because we selected quad or tri option in front of the free face meshing. Now about the element order option here, if you can remember in the previous session, in the global settings we talked about the element order and that you could select between two options of linear and quadratics. The same is applicable here, and you can select the element order for this specific geometry in local settings. Also, it is worth mentioning that if you select all quad in front of the free face mesh type, the software will try to put quadrilateral mesh cells over the outer surfaces of the geometry.